Wow, what a crowd. Come on, doggy, you need this. Sorry, guys, my fault. Wow, looking good, Abby. Alright, time to make me some new inventions. Huh? What are you saying, doggy? Come on, guys, focus. Now that's what I call some ultimate workout. Alright, let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, I'm all worked up. Hey, you need some help, Abby? Hey, not to worry, I got this. Don't give up now, we have to keep trying. Say, are you sure about that? Oh yeah, baby. Hands up, Buster, this is mine. Well, we can still keep trying. Are you sure? Doggy, guess what? I decided to make a new invention now. No, not exactly. Who are you talking to? Wow, keep up the good work, guys. You're looking good, Abby. No matter what will happen, we can still keep trying. Hey, don't cry. Everything's going to be okay, right? I will always be there for you, Abby. What do you have there, doggy? Wow, I like being happy. Being happy is my favorite. Finders keepers, doggy. So wait, are you trying to say I'm going to be in charge? Thanks, doggy. Is this the right arrow, doggy? What? Are you crazy? This isn't how it looks. We can talk about this. Calm down. Everything's going to be alright, okay? Sure thing. Easy now, calm down. I have come from the new universe, guys. Oh yeah, well, how come you ever play the drums? That would be so perfect. Go ahead, take your time. Why are you blaming this on me? What? My fault? How is it my fault? Can you excuse me for a second? So, now you were saying? And now, for the final touch. I'm a great waiter. Here is your food, ma'am. Alright, let's do it. Woohoo! It's finally picture day. Keep up the good work, guys. You got some onions in there too? I want some. Conroy cat gotta do what he wants. Guys, calm down, I'm an adult. It's not gonna happen, no. Ugh, why is the sun so hot? Didn't I just tell you I work for free? I just literally said that people wants me to work for free all because I want to do is clean the water all day. Oh no, not more water. Today is the day that I'm going to get some special scrambled eggs from Doggy for breakfast. Didn't you just go on a diet from vegetables? But I do eat his 4 scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs is my favorite thing. Once you grow this tall, you're going to be way bigger. In fact, me and Abby are going to be stronger and even stronger and more. Good morning, Abby. You care to have some scrambled eggs? That's so tasty. It tastes yummy. Well, I can't say that I do. I'll do something later and tomorrow, I guess. Are you rushing? Hey, watch where you going. Sorry, my fault, my bad. Doggy, here's your fresh coffee I made you. In fact, I don't even like the water at all. Someone get me out of here. Thanks, Abby. Ouch, okay, and with the nails. See you tomorrow.